Welcome to the latest update program of Drishti IAS. In this series, the topic of discussion is COVA Chd app launched for COVID-19 related monitoring. Punjab State Governor and Chandigarh Administrator Banwarilal Purohit has launched COVA Chd app. The application is launched for monitoring and providing information related to coronavirus disease. The full name of COVA is Coronavirus Alert, while CHD stands for Chandigarh. This app will help health department officials in patient management, contact tracing, and sample collection. Key features of the app include: this app will work with a geofencing feature. It will trace COVID patients as well as quarantine people. It will help COVID patients with self-health monitoring. It will provide important information to COVID-19 patients. It will give information about the nearby sellers of essential commodities, COVID care centers, hospitals, and test labs. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.